Hey, Wade here. Yeah, a lot of people have been asking for sort of the classic Air Jordan last, and here we got it now. Okay, so this last is perfect for doing DIY, right? Make your own pattern that follows the Air Jordan silhouette. But also, if you're doing sort of a restoration or rebuild project, then this last will work for Jordan 1 and the other early Jordans I'll show you in a second. And then also, it works on sort of the Dunk and Air Force because all those use that same kind of classic. If you're doing your own original sort of classic Jordan-esque, vintage basketball shoe, then this is the perfect last for you. We have men's sizes 8 through 14. And if you're curious, if you're not sure about size wise, basically just give us a holler. We'll help you find the size. But basically, it fits to your shoe size. It's pretty good that way. Okay, so this last also is available with the outsole. And let's take a closer look so I can show you what's going on with this. So here we have this is the AJ1 last here again. This is a tribute to Air Jordan, and so you can make your own type of shoes following this silhouette. And actually here, this is the last inside of the Air Jordan, so you can see silhouette wise, pretty much spot on. Actually, this is nice and tight, so you basically your pattern will fit. You're there. Okay, so this last is hinged. I know it doesn't look like a hinge, but this is a Tendo style hinge, and basically this is how it opens. And a lot of people you think you're going to see a V here, but you're not because this doesn't close up. It actually articulates down. So to close it, you're actually going to push down, and when you're on a lasting jack, you're going to actually push the toe up to get it to open. So again, why does it articulate this way? Elast articulates this way so that you can get your finished pattern off of the last without damaging it. Again, let me show you quickly. If you're doing a restoration project, so here we have a project in the workshop right now. We haven't torn into it just yet, but we've taken it apart. So and actually we put the last inside, and actually, man, it is pretty spot on because what you're looking for is how tight does everything fit, because in the end, when everything's restored, you're going to have to put the outsole back on. And again, if you're doing an outsole off restoration project, you need to have a last inside. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get any pressure to glue it back. And also, even if you're not taking the outsole off, you can use a last to reshape and sort of re-steam and get the wrinkles out and basically get the upper back into tip-top shape. So last is perfect for that. Again, and because it articulates, you can do all your restoration work and open the last and slide it out without damaging the upper. So again, if you're doing a restoration project on any of these sort of classic Jordan shoes, then you're going to need that. Okay, so I said it fits the Air Jordan 1, and I want to show you exactly what I mean. So basically, you can set it in there, and it follows the bottom contour, follows the heel contour, toe looks pretty spot on. Also, if you're gonna do Air Force One, same situation. Fits nice and tight. Now, last thing is we've got outsoles available. So here's the outsole. It doesn't have an air unit, right? That's Nike's jam, not ours. But basically, if you're doing the test pattern, or it's a little bit lower to the ground, right? That's that style. But basically, the regular old cup sole with waffle inside, and then when you get the tooth, you can buy them in pairs. You'll see there's a little gap around the edge, and that's exactly what you want because your upper material has thickness, and you have just enough thickness so that you can stretch the outsole just a little bit to get it to fit your upper design nice and tight. So again, the AJ1 is perfect for this kind of dunk, or your classic Jordan 1, and probably up to 5 or 6. It'll all fit this style of shoe. It's right here at shoemakersacademy.com. You're going to go to books and tools, down here to tools and supplies. If you want to just buy the last, that's available, just the last, if you want to buy the last and a couple of pairs of outsoles to experiment with, then here, I'll get out of the way. Then you can just buy the outsole by itself. Again, come visit us at shoemakersacademy.com. And if you have any questions about how to do that stuff, just feel free to send us an email. Thank you.